Welcome back to Projects Watch. This is Surfy. Now, this video is so serious. I have to stand up and hold the mic in my hand. Normally, I sit down, comfortable. This time I have to stand up and hold the mic like a DJ. Or when if I say a MC on a wedding, right? Or a Dave Chappelle stand up, I have to hold the mic. So if you hear some rustling, it's because I move around. I can't sit down. This is spooky. Now I know it's Halloween, right? Halloween season, but this is spooky. I wonder if you realize there's something. Since I've been doing this, since I've been bad-minding scammers, fighting against artists and producers, and making up things to get views, I never seen nothing like this yet. You mean to tell me, say? Quote-unquote cult pastor Kevin Smith, right? This man, after him whole Dolly house come tumbling down, but did the video, right? And me say, right, based on the whole Jeffrey Epstein thing, that did spooky because, you know, before man even get a chance to talk, you know, him just drop out just so. What do you mean to tell me, say? One of favorite cult pastor drop out too? Me have to stand up and hold the mic. Me can't sit down and make this. Right now, me I peep through the window every 2 minutes. People just come like one of them dopey show there. And you know the flashlight. You know the dopey show and tell them the flashlight are shining in their face. That's what I stay right now. No man, this spooky. We're going to talk about it because a couple things stand out to me. You see, me hear the reasoning behind moving him from Mobile to Kingston. It's not unprecedented. It happened before, right? So, and I lie them and tell, but still spooky. Here's the next thing. People I say, the biggest thing what stand out to them is the fact say, the man never have an handcuff. Now worry about handcuff. Right now, handcuff are the least a Jamaica's problem. Handcuff are the least spookiest thing, me see this so. I want to look on the screen right now. When you see that? Now, his vehicle got slammed into by a pickup. I'm going to show it on the screen. The vehicle slammed directly into the section where Kevin Smith. Me say the vehicle slammed look on the picture good enough. The vehicle was slammed into the police. So the back left door. What kind of direction the vehicle in them inner? Fit that vehicle lick the back. It's the road of them that one. I want road one go so and one go so. And like one big four-way junction. You are go east, me I go west. If you are go north, me I go south. How that the man they end up on a Kevin Smith side? People are saying, well, maybe Kevin Smith arrested them. The man still have on him seatbelt. Kevin Smith comfortable and dead in the car. This is spooky. More know how that van they end up on a Kevin Smith. The right exactly which part the man they look on it tear off right the body. Separate the body, say no, say it's a rotted lick it get. We now worry about handcuff. I could have one kerchief tie around him on. This spooky. Next thing. See this video now go long, you know. Because unlike many of your favorite YouTubers, I'm not even going to pretend like me so I know what I go on here so. But based on the videos I see, right, something don't look right. The main thing obviously is the fact that the man slammed directly in Kevin Smith's side. The next thing, I don't understand what I see right upon this picture. Now I've seen many accidents in my time. I've seen many shootings in my time. And when I sit on a seat there, look more towards shooting than accident now. Let me put this out there. I not say, right? Those are definitely bullet wounds. I'm just saying that looks spooky. I don't know if at the angle, I don't know, me I tell you what me I see, and that look like when time rounds fly through. Enough time you pull up on a scene, you see the victim, or even if they move him, when you move him, I saw the seat look, rounds fly through him. I don't understand. The policeman lose him life, where you say, right, others seriously injured, I don't know if they're gonna make it or not. Listen, hope them pull through, but this thing bigger than police. This thing bigger than, matter of fact, the last time I see anything like this was literally the Jeffrey Epstein case. I cannot think of another case in Jamaica similar to this. Here is the thing. It is very possible, so all of this is coincidence. It's possible. In the way that it's possible so you can win the lotto. It's possible. Probable? Not really. Because there is a difference between possibility and probability. Now, the government have come out and say, the police have come out and say, well, this happened and it's all just one big misunderstanding and one big accident, but you're more likely to sell the Jamaican public unicorns than sell them that. As a matter of fact, I expect my unicorn sales to skyrocket right now. You think the Jamaican people are going to accept that Kevin Smith, the man who rubbed shoulders with so much big wigs in Jamaica, the man who have so much people file, the man that can probably turn Jamaica upside down if he says certain things out of his mouth, as he was being transported from St. James to Kingston to go get charged. Him just so happened to meet up in one of the spookiest accidents we've ever seen. This difficult, this is a hard pill to swallow. This is a hard pill to swallow. So are so much man lucky? So much people, so much of your favorite big wigs, politicians, right? People who have, your suit and tie, right? Maybe some of your favorite officers, some of your favorite teachers, because we know that Kevin Smith can't do all of this by himself. Just like with the Yankee, Jeffrey Epstein, you did have your favorite ex-presidents them filing all them one day. And how convenient him drop out while in police custody. And same for Kevin Smith, how convenient for the big wigs them him drop out in police custody. This is extraordinary. We need the people that have a real intel to link up with me. Don't send me nothing about a mask and see the mask there, so the mask there, so I know a handcuff, please. No offense, but stop wasting my time. Right now, we need intel of the highest order. The spookiest thing to me are the fact that the van slammed directly in a Kevin Smith side and right them holding at the seat. At them level of things them want. No nobody say about a mask. Right. You can nitpick to them like more on the real intel. Because this can't go so. This is the spookiest thing we're probably going to see for a very, very long time. The only thing spooky than this, remember when time you're young and you used to watch some dopey show, or you used to sit down and the bigger youths and the bigger man them used to tell dopey story. I know them tradition they probably feel it at Jamaica by now, but when we were younger and we used to sit down as youths, the bigger people them used to tell you some dopey story. And all 2 nights straight you can't sleep. Every sound you hear, you are turning and look. Well, that's something I turn and look right now. As a matter of fact, the only way this get crazier is if in a 3 days time, Kevin Smith rise again. And I'm telling you right now, so if that happens, I'm renouncing my Jamaican citizenship. Right, I'm handing back my passport. I'm renouncing Jamaica. I'm renouncing Jamaicans, including family, friends. Look, I don't care if you share my DNA. Right? At that point, I want nothing to do with any Jamaican. Right? And I'll be moving to the planet Mars, right, far away from you people. You people are aliens. This can't be the real world. I make the video and it's like, I wonder if it's some kind of skit, if it's a joke, it can't be real life. See, this video short. This video short because of the first day. And 99% of the things that we are going to see and hear are speculation. We're not get the real intel yet. As usual, it's going to be a mad rush for who can put out the most extraordinary story. There are already multiple camps. You have the camp who say, yes, that happened to him, right, because I'm a false prophet and say the Almighty box him down there. You have that camp. Yeah, the camp will say it's a complete accident and everything is just complete coincidence. Yeah, man will say the accident real, but it's a trip to St. Thomas, followed up by a trip to Haiti, right, where, you know, the scientists them work and someone end up, right, crash and drop out. But Mr. Scientist, I not talk about the chemistry, the biology, right, or the physics. I not talk about the man in the lab who mix potion, the man mix one different type of potion. You also have people who say, you know, him still alive and him fly out. And in case you're wondering which camp me in, me in the camp where was asleep under the bed tonight to the whole I light them turn on. At that camp they me in. All me know Kevin Smith, right through Jamaica, right, in terms of the public knowing him, right through Jamaica, turn the whole place upside down and gone. Right. This is what you call, right, flash and dash. The man mash up the whole place, right, turn society upon its head, and after before him get a chance to touch the stand. Suppose him get a chance. It's too spooky. But not gonna lie, I was hoping we see him on a stand. I was hoping for you to see him sign a deal and info go leak. But as I said in the first video, that was very unlikely. We know what them things are already. And regardless of how him end up at the situation, it's spooky. There's no two ways about this. Even the police commissioner, the prime minister can't tell us that it's not spooky. Anyway, look out for your follow-up video. Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, no life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.